Have you grown weary of feeling trapped in your current financial circumstances? It is high time to liberate yourself from the self-imposed limitations that have been holding you back. Always remember, the only thing standing in the way of your success is you. By overcoming your obstacles and embracing the myriad opportunities available to you, you have the power to witness your wealth surpass even your wildest dreams. Do not allow fear or hesitation to hinder your progress any longer. Seize control of your financial destiny and begin reaping the rewards you have worked so hard for. The ability to generate wealth lies well within your grasp. All you need to do is have unwavering faith in yourself and take the crucial steps required to bring your goals to fruition. So, do not hesitate any longer. Shatter the barriers that have been holding you back and marvel at the astounding growth of your wealth.